Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number B9137P. Only 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Town & Country seats 7, leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air controls. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system, keep child seats completely secure. They're also heated when they're in the upright position. And you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauge with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Cup holders, power outlets, and storage. Even more storage space in the removable center console. And dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Liftgate and sliding door controls. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, all that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9137P to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.